The Ulterra and Riptide Ulterra trolling motor has taken trolling motor innovation to the next level. In combination with the One Boat network from Minn Kota and Humminbird, you have the ability to control your Ulterra from any connected One Boat network device. There's no doubt that the Ulterra or Riptide Ulterra trolling motor is a high-tech piece of machinery, and as you'd expect from any such device, taking the time to properly care for it will go a long ways towards extending its life. Making sure that you keep your batteries, wiring, and connections all in good repair, along with a regular preventative maintenance routine on your Ulterra or Riptide Ulterra motor, will help to ensure the best possible experience on the water. But even with the best preventative maintenance plan, being prepared for the unexpected by having a few basic items on your boat can prove to be valuable in the unlikely event they're needed. Ulterra comes with a quick reference guide that includes some helpful tips on controlling your Ulterra, and on the back page explains a couple of reset options as well as the emergency stow procedure. In the unlikely event of a malfunction, Minn Kota recommends keeping this as well as the included motor strap in your boat at all times. We also know that many of our valued customers fish in areas that are, by any standard, difficult to navigate. Submersed stumps or rock piles can wreak havoc on your prop. With that said, it's also a good idea to keep an extra prop kit on hand in the event your prop becomes damaged or unbalanced. As we mentioned before, there are multiple ways to control your Ulterra or Riptide Ulterra. However, if you're strictly a remote user or even a foot pedal user, it's never a bad idea to keep a foot pedal or remote on board as a backup in the event your primary control experienced an issue. Good preparation for your valuable time on the water would also warrant keeping a couple of basic tools in your boat as well. We suggest keeping a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, a 3/16" Allen wrench, and a 9/16" wrench. Again, regular maintenance of your motor will keep your time on the water trouble-free, but keeping these few things on your boat will put you in a good position in the unlikely event they are needed. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.